Easy homemade kabsa recipe, a flavorful vacation dish for beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we're going on a flavorful journey to the Middle East with a dish that's perfect for vacations or any day you want to treat yourself. That's right, we're making homemade kabsa. And the best part? It's affordable and beginner-friendly. So, let's dive right in. But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on delicious recipes like this one. Now, let's take a look at our ingredients. For our homemade kabsa, you'll need 2 cups of basmati rice, 1 pound of chicken, you can also use lamb or beef, 2 onions, finely chopped, 3 tomatoes, diced, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 carrots, diced, 1 bell pepper, chopped, 1 tablespoon of kabsa spice mix, or a blend of cumin, coriander, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg, salt and pepper to taste, 3 cups of chicken broth, olive oil for cooking. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's get cooking. First, rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Then, soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. Next, let's season our chicken. In a bowl, mix the chicken pieces with half of the kabsa spice mix, salt, and pepper. Make sure each piece is well coated. Now, let's heat some olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once hot, add the seasoned chicken and cook until it's browned on all sides. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once done, remove the chicken from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, add a bit more olive oil if needed, and toss in the chopped onions and minced garlic. Sauté until they're softened and aromatic, which should take around 3 to 4 minutes. Once the onions are translucent, add in the diced tomatoes, carrots, and bell pepper. Stir everything together and let it cook for another 5 minutes until the vegetables start to soften. Now, it's time to add our star ingredient, the basmati rice. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pot with the vegetables. Stir well to coat the rice with all those delicious flavors. Next, sprinkle the remaining kabsa spice mix over the rice and vegetables. This will give our kabsa that signature aroma and taste. Now, pour in the chicken broth, which will add even more depth of flavor to our dish. Give everything a final stir, then bring the mixture to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a lid, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is cooked through and all the liquid has been absorbed. And there you have it, our homemade kabsa is ready to be served. But before we dig in, let's add the finishing touches. Take the cooked chicken pieces we set aside earlier and arrange them on top of the rice. This not only looks beautiful but also ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. Now, grab a serving spoon and scoop out generous portions of our aromatic kabsa onto plates. Don't forget to garnish with some fresh parsley or cilantro for a pop of color and freshness. And there you have it, a delicious and affordable homemade kabsa that's perfect for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Whether you're enjoying it on vacation or just a cozy night in, this dish is sure to impress. Thank you all for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!